Morgan. Welcome back to Code and German. As today we are doing Hören and Sprechen of A1, and our topic is Freizeit. Freizeit means free time, and we're doing the exercise 27, that is Boom 27. Was machen Sie, Lina and Paul? So you have to see the picture and take a just look, and you just have to write this. Okay, you can zoom it from here or do it in your notebook. Okay, so we'll just look at a brief. Look at the Loschum. Was machen Sie, Lina und Paul? In Loschum, Lina singt, Paul schlaft, Lisa trinkt Tee, Paul spielt Trompete. Lisa fotografiert. Paul schenkt Lisa Blumen. Paul gives Lisa flowers. Lisa swimmed. Paul lies. Lies means to read. Is it reading? Oh yeah. Lisa and Paul essen Eis. Eis means ice cream. Paul fährt Fahrrad. Okay. Lisa telefoniert. Paul and Lisa tanzen. Okay, they are dancing. So unzwanzig. Anruf beantworten. What's the meaning of Anruf? And what's the meaning of beantworten? There are two words. There is Anruf means anrufen and beantworten. The meaning of Anruf is to call, and the meaning of beantworten is to answer someone. Antworten is to answer, or beantworten means to answer someone. Okay, so was hören Sie auf dem Anruf beantworten? So Was means what? Hören Sie? To hear of them. Anruf, call. Answer to someone's call. Bitte schreiben Sie. Okay, so it's a situation that you have to answer someone in call. Okay, so we take a brief look on Loshung. Okay, so it's Hallo Angelica, here is Lisa. Ich fahre morgen in der Bar. Kommst du mit? Hello Angelica. Here is Lisha. I'm Lisha. It is Lisha here. Ich fahre morgen in der Bar. I am going to mountains in tomorrow. Kommst du mit? Can you come? Kannst du mit bitte anrufen? Tut mir leid. Kannst du mich bitte anrufen? Can you call me? Meine Telefonnummer ist 2880112. Danke. Tschüss. So she is inviting her friend to come in mountain trip with her. Okay. The second situation is Hallo Klaus. Hallo Klaus, here is Paul. Ich gehe heute zum Fußball spielen. Kommst du mit? Du kannst mich anrufen. Meine Telefonnummer ist 0177 123 45670. Okay. So regarding the third, Guten Dank, Frau Schoenfeld. Here is Praxis Dr. Schlott. Wir haben einen Termin für Sie. We have a appointment for you. Bitte rufen Sie heute zwischen 15 und 18 Uhr zurück. Okay. Unsere Nummer ist 01230 657 623. Vielen Dank, auf Wiederhören. There's a word auf Wiedersehen. Sorry, auf Wiederhören. So mostly we use auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen means see you soon. Okay, so auf Wiederhören is simply we say goodbye. Okay, so you have to practice this conversation 4 to 5 times. Okay, or what's next is text B. Hallo Angelica, here is Lisa. Ich fahre morgen in der Bar. Kommst du mit? Kannst du mich bitte anrufen? Is it same? It's also same. Okay, so I'll just take a screenshot for you in the image, so you can do your exercise by seeing the video. Okay, I have given you a screenshot in the last of video. Okay, so this exercise is complete.